In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veed.io, an online video editing platform. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just dipping your toes into video creation, you'll find Veed.io user-friendly and full of powerful features. Now, let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to go to Veed.io and log in. If you don't have an account, don't worry. The sign-up process is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your starting hub where you can manage your projects and explore the various features Veed.io has to offer. Next, find the Create New Project button and give it a click. This will open up a new workspace where all the magic happens. Think of this as your blank canvas, ready for your creativity. Now, it's time to upload your video. Look for the Upload Video option, click on it, and select the video file you want to work on from your computer. Spend a moment here to ensure you've selected the correct file, as this will save you from having to go back and forth later. After your video has uploaded, you'll see it appear in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Clicking directly on the video clip within this timeline opens up your editing options. This interface is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're not familiar with video editing, you should feel right at home. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar brimming with options. If you want to add some text to personalize your video or highlight key information, just click on the text option, type in whatever you need, and adjust the font and size to match your style. If you'd like to add some music or sound effects, you can easily do this by selecting the audio button and browsing through your options. If your video requires subtitles or captions, the subtitles feature will guide you through that process effortlessly. Once you're happy with your edits and feel everything looks just right, it's time to wrap it up. Click Done to seal your edits, then head to the top right corner of the screen and select Export Video. This will render your project, making it ready for download. Finally, with your video processed, all you need to do is click Download to save it to your computer. And that's it, you've just edited a video with Veed.io from start to finish. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour of Veed.io. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to explore the platform's help section or leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing.